everybody, Wilton Hunt over here. And today I want to talk about user experience and how it impacts ranking. Because in the past, whenever we talk about user experience, it's the website itself, right? It's more, once people get on a website, you want to make sure they're staying on the website as long as possible, good user experience. And when we talk about UX before is we want them to act on, right, to call you, for example, to fill a form, how easy it is to find things. But to our surprise these days, it actually impacts your organic rankings as well. Moz just came out with this report. Organic user behavior is the second most heavily weighted as far as ranking signals go. Number one does not change, which is your on-page SEO elements, which is the content on your website, title tags, all those type of things, relevancy of your content. That still does not change. But to everybody's surprise, user experience is number two, how it impacts your organic ranking these days. And not a surprise. Why would Google be sending free traffic to a website that have lousy user experience? People are only spending under a few seconds. They're bouncing off. They're not finding things that they are looking for. A lot of advertisement on there, right? So one big thing you want to keep in mind is these days, you got to worry a little bit more about user experience these days from your website. For example, look at Google Analytics. Once people get on a website, what is a bounce rate? And not just the bounce rate as a whole, which pages are people bouncing off, look at the exit rate, how much time people are spending on each of the pages, look at where they're going, where they're exiting off from, how easy it is to find things, how fast does the website load, mobile-wise, how easy, right, it is to, how well it renders, things like that. But one big thing here is user experience is not just about conversions. Of course, that's the ultimate goal, is you want to convert somebody, but it heavily weighs into ranking these days.